First, make sure that you have updated WhatsApp to the latest version. Then open the app. When you create a poll in an individual chat, you will see only one option. But when you create a poll in a group chat, you will see two additional options. If you don't see it yet, don't worry, WhatsApp rolls out features gradually, so it may take some time to appear on all accounts. Now enter your question and add your options. If you keep Allow Multiple Answers turned on, users can select more than one option when voting in the poll. Below that, you will find a new option called Hide Voter Names. If you turn this option on, voters' names will be hidden from other group members. There's also another option called Set End Time, which allows you to choose when the poll should automatically end. After setting up your question, answers, and preferred poll options, tap Send to create and share the poll. You, along with all group members, will be able to see the options selected in the poll. So, that's how you can create and use polls with the new options in WhatsApp group chats.